Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home now. Students, I am going to teach you consumer awareness. Jago, grahak, jago. Consumers are often cheated by many persons due to their ignorance, due to their lack of knowledge. They are often cheated. So in this chapter, in this topic, I am going to teach you how to remain safe, okay, from this all the adulteration and everything, malpractices and everything. If something that you have the feeling of cheating and all, what you have to do, that I'm going to teach you in this chapter. Every person is a consumer one way or the other. Many items of same features, same brand, different brands available in the market, but illiteracy, unawareness, consumers do not have complete knowledge and information about the diversities and alternate uses of the goods. So consumers often cheated because of this. So students, you have to learn that satisfaction of the consumer is our motto, and consumer is the king of the market. Okay, consumer is the king of the market. Now, forms of consumer exploitation. How or in different what in different way the consumers often cheated. Forms of consumer exploitation. Consumers are exploited by producers, traders in a different ways, which is given below. He is exploited by providing commodity less weight than one printed on the packet. On packet 400, on packet 500 grams, but actually in the packet only 400 gram commodities, by providing slightly defective and fake commodity goods. Overpricing, by providing adulterate good, milawat wala goods, which are dangerous and harmful to health, for the health. Unsatisfactory after sale service, mostly in the electronic goods. Okay, sale service is not proper. Not providing construction goods services or predetermined conditions. Providing electricity, banking, insurance, telephone, medical facilities. Seller and trader shows negligence, humiliates consumer by cheating in selection of goods by attractive and deceptive advertisements, by adopting malpractices of selling. In the advertisement, they are showing the models using the shampoo of proper and shiny hairs. Okay, actually we implement such goods, use such goods, we are not finding such type of results. By selling fake goods in such manner that they cause physical as well as mental harassments. By creating artificial scarcity, by not providing complete information, consumer is cheated. So forms of consumer exploitation will last for 2 marks. Students, you have to do it. Now, reasons of consumer exploitation. Total 4 reasons are there. This will ask in a section C. Students, you have to write all the 4. Why consumers are often cheated? Consumer is himself or responsible. Trader, producer, organizer take undue advantage of consumer. Why? Because of their ignorance, lack of knowledge, illiteracy, lack of tendency to become organized. They have not ability to oppose, आवाज़ नहीं उठा सकते. Lack of preparation, tendency to fight legally against the exploitation. So consumer himself responsible for this. Limited information. Consumers having very limited information. In the capitalist economy, the producers, sellers are free to produce, sell any commodity service in any quantity. There is no rules regarding their pricing and quality regulation, and they are not following the rules strictly. In such a situation, consumers are not having the proper knowledge and usefulness of the products and quality and maintenance, conditions of use and after sale service, warranty, guarantee, etc. Consumers is not given the proper information about this also, and due to this limited information and lack of understanding, consumer tend to make the mistake. Limited supply. When supply of the product and service is not accordance with the demand, whenever the supply is less and demand is more, scarcity is created, and this scarcity is created due to the hoarding of the traders. People try to hide the commodities, and the producer also batting natural calamities. In such a situation, trader take undue advantage by overpricing. They charge high price. So improper supply of the commodities in the market is also responsible for the exploitation of the consumer. Students, you have examples of the price of the onion that reached to a high peak, means reached to cross 100 rupees. Means why? Because demand is more and supply is less. Limited competition. When a single producer or a group of the producer have their monopoly in the market situation. Monopoly means what? Only one single seller in the market. Whatever price he charge, we have to pay it. Anyhow, there is no close substitute of the products and no close alternative also. In a different ways, in such a limited and monopolized market, the consumer is dumped with a defective service and commodities of the low quality. Consumer awareness is consumer protection. You should aware about the different products and everything. There arose a need to stop exploitation of consumer in different ways to protect rights and to provide the mental and physical securities. In India, discrimination regarding the consumer protection because of misbehavior leads towards consumer and their exploitation was made first time in the Kautilya's Arthashastra. Kautilya's Arthashastra will describe misbehavior of the trader towards consumer and his exploitation. We find mention of the punishment of the undermeasurement of goods, adulteration or duplication. American President John Franklin Kennedy present 4 rights of the consumers on March 15, 1962 in the Parliament of America. He expressed soreness on the thought that opinion of the consumer is not heard. So, consumers should be protected from undermeasurement of the goods and adulteration and duplication. International organization Consumers International published notification showing rights of the consumers on 5th March 1983. That's why 15 March observed as a World Consumer Day. Students, you have to remember for the MCQ. 15 March is observed as a World Consumer Day every year. Afterwards, in its meeting on 16th April 1985, the UN declared 8 basic consumer rights in the bill, United Nations Guidelines for Consumer Protection. According to this, it recommended every nations of the world to set up effective legal structure for rights and interests protection of consumers. For this, Indian Parliament formed a National Consumer Protection Act 1986. That you have to remember, National Consumer Protection Act 1986, which was signed and permitted by the President on the 24th December 1986. So every year 24th December is celebrated as National Consumer Rights Day. Gujarat government has implemented Gujarat Consumer Protection Act 1988 on the 18th February 1988. As per this, legal actions for consumer protection has been undertaken. In 1993 and 2002, many important amendments have been implemented in India in consumer protection. People have wished to bring change in the age-old act as per the requirement of the time. Many provisions have been made under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Now we shall gather information about the important provisions made the act. So from this you have to do from the MCQ 15th March celebrated as World Consumer Day, okay, United Nations Guidelines 16th April, then Gujarat Consumer Protection Act 1988. Consumer Protection Act is a milestone in the history of Socio-Economic Act of India. Is helpful to the people for protection of rights of the consumers and their interests. This is most progressive and acceptable law, which provides following provisions. First, related to consumer service. Under the above legislation, in the terms of the trader, commodity and service, a consumer may be defined as follows. In terms of the commodity, consumer is one who is legal protection from is any of the following person. First, if a person has made payment and had promised to make the payment and has agreed for the offered made of payment in the leave of purchase of any commodity, that person is called consumer. Who is the consumer? He has made promise to make the payment for any kind of commodity he has purchased. The person who pays the value of the product either in the form of the installment by hire purchase systems or hires a service, either receives a service, is called the consumer. But if any person sells and purchases a product for the business or commercial purpose and provide free of cost service or the service under the personal service agreements, they are not covered under the legislation. They are not protected. Thus, objectives of this law to see the consumer gets product or service of high quality along with its product protection of interest of the consumer are also seen. According to the provision, the type of the quality of the goods and services as well as the agreements are not as prevailing law provided service or defective or deficiency of the commodity. Okay, substandard quality. The consumer may complain under the consumer protection law. Suppose the consumer purchased the commodity from the market and he has not got the commodity as per the prescribed norms and everything. So he can protect himself under the consumer protection law. Now student, most important topic I am going to teach you, rights of the consumers. This will ask in the section D for 4 marks. Okay, so total 6 rights given to you. You have to write it down this one. Now, right to safety. Consumer has the right to be protected. If the consumer commodity and service is dangerous or harmful for the health, he has a right to get the protection from the maintenance of the physical environment and quality of the life. He has to right to save himself. Right to get the information. The consumer should have information about the quality, quantity, capacity, purity, class, standard, uses, price, etc. Consumer should have knowledge about everything of the commodities and services so that he may be protected in the market against the malpractices and corrupt practices. With the help of the right to the information, the consumer is encouraged to behave responsibly. The consumer gets information from the label, packaging, advertisement, price list, government and public news and the reports. He has a right to get the information about the products. Now, right to choose. Several commodities are available in the market. Consumer has a right to choose that commodities. Consumer has a right to access a variety of goods in the competitive rates. Choosing commodities and service which could earn maximum profit has good quality. Objectives of right to choose is to confirm the reasonable price, satisfactory service, assurance of the qualities. Consumer has a freedom to choose their commodities, which is most convenient. Right to be heard and right to be represent. Under these laws, such an arrangement are made in which rights, interests of the consumers are protected, represented, considered. Yes, there are always provisions to make arrangement is a non-political, non-commercial consumer society is formed, having its own consumer representative who presents their interests properly. Right to seek redressal. This right gives right to the consumers to make complaint against dishonest commercial practices, loss due to negligence and ethical exploitation. Means right to complain. It also gives right to the consumer to prevent it from loss by asking for compensation. Compensation either return the goods or either return back the money or return back to the money. In this, consumer may ask for one or more than one relief like exchange of goods, return of money, repair without asking for charge etc. Consumer may ask for incentives or not, but is entitled to get the incentives. So any fake products, any duplicate products, the consumer may find it. So consumer ask for the compensation. Last, right to get the consumer education. These rights ensure that consumer gets complete information and develops the patience and skill. Factor responsible for exploitation of the consumer at the village level are ignorance, may means they do not know anything, lack of awareness among the consumers. By including it in the school curriculum, why this topic included in this chapter? Because the students may get awareness. Effort should be made to train the consumers and improve their skill through meeting of different institutions. Consumer education related discussion sessions, exhibition, discourses, work camps, seminars, etc. So they may play the role of an alert consumer in the market. So consumer education is helpful in this.